Days of the Week Part 2. In today's video, you're going to learn how to say what day it is for all the days of the week. Is it Monday? Is it Tuesday? Yes. So let's do a quick recap of days of the week in Shona. Sunday, Sondo. Monday, Muvuro. Tuesday, Chipiri. Wednesday, Chitatu. Thursday, China. Friday, Chishanu. Saturday, Mugolera. What day is it today? Nasi chingani. Okay, so if you want to say what day is it today, you have to say nasi. Then you say the day as it is. So if you want to say today is Monday, you say nasi muvuro. If it's Tuesday, nasi chipiri. If it's Wednesday, nasi chitatu. If it's Thursday, nasi china. If it's Friday, nasi chishanu. If it's Saturday, nasi mugovera. And if it's Sunday, you say Sunday is not on the list. Okay, there's a reason. When it comes to the issue of Sunday, you don't just say nasi and say the day as it is. You have to add e, which is pronounced I in English, right? So you would say nasi isondo. Yes, you have to add an I. So this is the end of Days of the Week Part 2. If you didn't know, there is Part 1 which focuses on days of the week as well as words and phrases related to days of the week. Make sure you check out that video and don't forget to subscribe, comment, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell when you subscribe so that you get notifications when we upload something new.